Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Today we're installing a roll-up tonneau on the 2016 Ram for my brother-in-law. If you guys haven't watched the series yet, this is day 3. We got a lot of stuff still going. We still have a receipt to repair, but today we're putting on a soft tonneau. The reason why we're putting one of these on is it's a very inexpensive way to protect your cargo from the elements, make the truck look nice, and give you somewhat of some concealment. It does not give you security. Now, he was going to go with a Paragon, which is one of my favorites. My next favorite would be the MX4 by Backflip. But I told him because he wasn't for sure if he's going to keep this truck long term, but for the immediate future, to just go with that because those covers provide security and concealment. Security means nobody can walk up, stab a knife through there, or a screwdriver, tear it open and see what kind of goodies you got in there. But what I can tell you is 99% of the time is people are opportunists. So as long as it's out of the eyesight, there's a lot less likelihood if you did have to put something in the back there and run into some other store that somebody may not jack you. However, this is a very nice thing. I put this on the 24 Ram, so the same bed style from basically 2010 to 2024. You can use the same backflip, the same everything like that. So we're going to go with the Tonneau. I've ran a lot of their stuff. I'm not endorsed by them, but I like this one because of the way it secures down, the way it looks. It is a heavy-duty vinyl, and it doesn't buff it at all in the wind. It doesn't really move at all, and it keeps your cargo pretty dry, if not all dry, for less than $200. This one's like $177. Before we get started, make sure you smash the subscribe button. Helps a small channel out. Thumbs up and notification bell so we can post new content. And we have a day 3 video coming very soon. All right, so it comes well packaged. There is the roll-up cover piece. Here are your side rails for the 6'4". Your bag of goodies with a battery-powered light, so kind of gimmicky with that, but it's nice that they hooked you up with one. And then we have our bulkhead strip. So I've already cleaned the top of the bed rails here, but we're going to get some of my alcohol spray, and we are going to spray the bulkhead itself here, just so the weather strip seats and stays better. So just use a clean cloth, paper towel, or towel, and some alcohol mix, and then we're going to set the actual soft roll-up piece on top. Now, Tonneau does give you a good, decent little instruction manual, so it is in the box also with the rest of your goodies. All right, the reason why I like using alcohol, one, it preps it really good, takes off grease, and it dries very quickly. Go ahead and put your seal on, cut it to your width, and then we're going to set up the actual bed cover with the vinyl piece on top here. Now remember, when you're cutting the saran wrap off that, either peel it off or be very, very careful. Don't ever cut down towards the actual vinyl. You don't want to damage it. Now we got to get these bad boys undone. Again, same thing. If you're going to cut this open, don't cut your seal or scratch your metal paint. So just unwrap it. Just unwrap it. It's easiest. All right, so the next thing you guys need to do, there is a little square tab on this piece that goes in this track right here. And you need to get it to where, let's see if we can flip this up and see it, to where it butts up tight. So that's not butted up tight. So you have to pull this back and actually lift up the vinyl and get it out of the way. We don't want that crunched in between that. So do that on both sides to get it pushed in. All right, then lift this back and tighten this little screw in right here. Once you get that done, we'll get everything lined up with the bed and start putting on the clamps. All right, now we lined up the bulkhead piece so it's dead even with the steel, not the actual bed liner. And then for your clamps, you're gonna line up this edge right here with the bed. And then these need to be 6 to 8 inches away from the bulkhead, 6 to 8 inches in there. Now on the 6'4" bed, you have 3 brackets each side. They only give you enough brackets, of course, to do the job. And then 1 down the middle. So put that in on both sides and then only hand tighten. Once you do that, go ahead and unclip your actual cover. Hang that down. And then you're going to go ahead and stretch out your cover. Now it's going to have some wrinkles and creases in it. Once it gets out in the sun, that'll kind of go away. We've hand tightened all these because the bed's tapered. We need to go back and make sure that the clearance works well with how this is. So just kind of pull it tight as you unroll it, as tight as you can. And see, I like these metal supports that it has in it to do it. So we're going to get it all the way here to the latch assembly end. Set these aside. And these clips, your little pull tabs right here, are going to go into this groove. And so we'll hop down. Ooh, it's getting hotter than a pistol. And we're going to get all of this lined up so we can adjust this, the bed rails in, and make sure it's all good. Okay, so as you're doing this, guys, whoops, let's not knock that over. This groove right here is going to line up with this groove, and you shouldn't have much slack in there when it's up. So you didn't get these all the way cranked down, so that way you can push them in so we have plenty of bar support in the middle. But then you can come over here and see that we're looking good there. There's that little ramp. And then you can look in there, we can eyeball it. We got about the same amount of gap over here as we do over here. And then we're going to look up in there and make sure we have plenty of bar support in the middle to hold those bars. And then we're going to tighten them down. And so what you want to do is if you get just a little bit of sun, it'll be a little bit hard to stretch it initially, guys, but you'll get it stretched down. And you can see how nice that cover turned out for less than a couple $100. I mean, it just added some nice flavor to that truck. Has that latch mechanism, and after a while, guys, you can unloosen the Velcro while you're waiting for it to heat up so you can stretch it the first time, and then it'll go in there. Don't worry, don't force it. You can adjust those clips, but you usually don't need to. They already came self-adjusted from the factory. So there is the install of a cheap tonneau on the 2016 Ram. As always, guys, appreciate you guys being here, and we'll catch you on the next one.